Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system runs UEFI mode and a 64-bit OS with a GPT disk. Secure boot requires that environment. Once done, make a full backup and a recovery USB so you can restore if firmware changes break booting. Update the motherboard firmware to the latest stable release to avoid known secure boot quirks, and set or note the firmware administrator password. This prevents accidental boot lock when you change secure boot keys. You now enter the UEFI setup and switch the boot mode to UEFI. Disable Compatibility Support Module, CSM, or Legacy Boot to allow secure boot enforcement. Make sure your drive remains GPT and Windows or your OS still lists in the boot menu. Next, enable Secure Boot, choose the vendor standard Secure Boot key set, and save changes. If the option to enroll keys appears, pick the platform's default set so the OS loader and anti-cheat components can validate at startup. You finish by rebooting and verifying the operating system starts normally. In Windows, check Secure Boot status in System Information. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Enter UEFI and temporarily disable Secure Boot so you can recover files or run diagnostics. Once recovered, restore defaults, update firmware, then re-enable Secure Boot and reapply the platform keys. If problems persist, use your recovery USB to repair the bootloader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.